Welcome to this year's QuickBooks Connect.
Wow, fancy.
We are so excited to have you here with us today.
Any bets on whether this is live?
And today at QuickBooks Connect, we'll have the chance to look back at what we learned, and more importantly, we'll look at the opportunity ahead. You didn't start your business to be a full-time marketer, especially in an ever-changing world of social and mobile and search and email and text.
Used?
One small business told me this spring, marketing can feel like throwing darts on the wall with a blindfold on.
MailChimp, maybe?
We have acquired MailChimp, one of the world's leading marketing platforms.
Ta-da!
Managing cash flow is one of the most complex parts of running a business. And so we've updated the payments tools in QuickBooks to take the work out of getting paid faster. For example, if you're meeting with a client who's excited to get started on a project, you can create an estimate with QuickBooks on your phone, include a deposit request,
Hi, Jacob.
and text it to your client. And right then and there, they can approve the estimate and pay the deposit. If your customer prefers to pay by paper check, soon you'll be able to easily snap a photo of it with your phone and have it deposited into your QuickBooks checking account. And if they'd like to pay in person, you can either pull an invoice up on your phone or make a sale on the spot and use the redesigned QuickBooks card reader to get paid. Your customer sees the amount they are paying displayed on the card reader and can easily tap their card to pay. Now, we know that getting paid on time sometimes isn't fast enough. Expenses start piling up as soon as you start a new job. And that's why I'm thrilled to share that QuickBooks has launched a powerful new invoice advance feature for eligible businesses. Now, when you create an invoice in QuickBooks, you can choose to get paid up front. You will receive 97% of the invoice value. And if the invoice advance is paid back within 30 days, there's no interest or additional cost. Now, we know that managing cash flow is about more than getting you paid fast. And so we've introduced automated savings in the QuickBooks checking account. Soon, you'll be able to create a rule to automatically move funds collected for sales tax into a dedicated envelope.
Yeah, that card reader looks sweet.
Once the rule is set up, QuickBooks automatically calculates and sets funds aside, skipping surprises come tax time.
Like this.
At QuickBooks, we know that taking care of your team is a top priority. As the workforce becomes increasingly distributed,
let's talk
and
QuickBooks
the
time.
competition for talent escalates, your employees want more flexibility over when, where, and how they work. That's why QuickBooks not only helps you pay your employees, QuickBooks also provides comprehensive team management tools like seamless time tracking and access to benefits, typically only available
It's like there's
to large
both
employers.
people in here now.
When a new employee is added, they'll receive an email to start their onboarding process. They can add personal information, including name and address, set paycheck preferences, and determine their W-4 tax withholdings. This skips the paper chase and saves you time, especially if you're frequently adding new employees.
This is great. I think I've kind of seen a trend of them picking up a lot of the Gusto feature set, which is a good thing for everyone, I think.
And accrued time off. You'll enjoy peace of mind.
Kind of the
and it's
value
always
of
up to date.
competition.
The new early pay feature will allow you to offer eligible employees the opportunity to access money before payday. In just a few steps, approved employees will be able to apply and select how much money they'd like to receive. They can choose to have the money instantly deposited into their bank account, helping cover unexpected expenses or ease financial stress.
Hey everyone, I'm Jay Shetty, and I'm so
Hi, Jay.
excited to be a part of this year's QuickBooks Connect. So, Kristen, I'm so grateful to be with you here. How are you today?
I am wonderful, and thank you so much for having me. It's so nice to see you.
Forward to being on my deathbed, and I'll ask myself,
What's happening? What? Oh my goodness.
Fairness.
So there's a
was
band
just
playing.
aching, and get
Whoops.
economy of scale.
Oh dear. Oh, that's not good.
Technology. It's
Music was the
you
sound of
really
someone
want
getting
to
fired, yeah.
pay
First, we're going to talk about
He's
what
absolutely
we
in front of a green
priorities are.
screen. He's got a black background, but I'm
different report capabilities.
either that or he's got a hair light behind him,
It's important that you
which is a level of effort even I haven't gone to. The landscaper now blowing his leaf blower on maximum attack, like right at my window. Oh my gosh, if this is just a generic website demo that they got into, oh, the loom controls on the bottom left. Oh boy, this is literally somebody recording a loom demo. I love that at one point you couldn't see them, and then they were pulled back up. I think we made it. Did we make it to the end? Oh, we did it! So that is a wrap on day one. Let's see, what was the new stuff we got? They announced MailChimp. That was clearly a big deal. They did that straight off the top. I think we already knew about that. If we didn't know about that, it actually would have been a really exciting announcement. What else? They announced upfront payments. So as soon as you invoice somebody out of QBO, you can take that money. That's pretty cool. I guess I'm using PI for that right now, but like the ability for anybody to do that in QBO is cool. And then factoring by QuickBooks. So you create an invoice and Intuit will pay you, 97% that invoice right away. And then the ability to take money pre-payday. QuickBooks Payroll. I can't remember what they call that. That's something Gusto's had for a bit. They announced that. But I think that's it for day one. My highlight, probably cutting away from Kristen Bell to a live band. Day one wasn't for accountants, so maybe day two will have more excitement and development. But that's it. That's a wrap for day one.
Day two.
Hello. Let's turn that right down. All right, day two, what are we gonna get? This is the exciting day for accountants. Will it be better bank feeds? Will it be QuickBooks Live for accounting firms? So many possibilities.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. What a sweet office setup.
I'm honored to stand here, to serve you, and lead our team at Intuit in service of you and your clients. So let's dive into how we're helping you grow your practice with new experiences that are live today.
Ooh, live.
That we have launched a ProAdvisor QuickBooks Online Payroll certification. It's available now in your ProAdvisor portal. QBO plus Payroll provides a growth opportunity for you. And we recognize that many of you want to grow and differentiate your business with QuickBooks Payroll, even if you don't want the burden of running payroll yourselves. Through our training and certification, you develop not only knowledge, but also confidence about payroll. And when you're certified, you can display the new payroll certification badge on your website and on your Find a ProAdvisor profile.
We're just going right down the list of the Gusto feature set, pulling all that stuff.
Since recruiting new talent is so tough these days, we're personalizing training pathways based on your staff's needs.
It's good when it works.
Dive right in. We are expanding ProAdvisor preferred pricing through the launch of Revenue Share, designed especially for you. Here's how it works. Through QuickBooks Online Accountant, when you start a new QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Online Payroll subscription, choose Revenue Share as your billing option. Your client pays into it each month.
Yeah,
and you'll receive
this week
30% of the
things we should have had
for the
8 years
next
ago.
12 months. Today, we're taking the next step in introducing the QuickBooks Online Advanced app for Windows, and it's totally free for you and your practice. Available for download
QuickBooks Online
today,
Desktop.
the app
Yes.
is for all
They
QuickBooks
figured it
Online
out.
Accountant users to manage all their QBO clients,
Oh,
no
boy.
matter what version of QBO they're using.
That's gonna get
The app takes
confusing.
what you to get the app, go to your QBOA books, navigate quickly.
Yeah, like
without
an
having to
internet
constantly
browser,
switch back and
but
forth
for your
between
desktop.
clients. With this free
Oh,
app,
so this
you
is
can manage
only
all
for
your
advanced?
clients, no
Are you
matter
kidding
what
me?
version of QuickBooks Online they're using. A is helping your clients understand that invisible work that you have completed. As an advisor, you
we just
also
acknowledge
want to
this
help your
company's
clients understand
name is
numbers
Bendy
and
Wendy?
use them to make, customize, and then send these
They get
tailored
Fathom
report
and
packages
this?
to your client. An experience you told us has changed the game for you.
I like it,
now
Ted.
expanded to cover more of your workflow. Fourth, providing experts that are based in the U.S.
I love that this is like a feature
Over the last
announcement.
several months, we've made massive
We've decided we're
improvements
actually
in
gonna
all
support
these
our
areas.
product.
To Revenue Share.
Sorry,
and
that's
the
good
new
news.
Payroll certification. Everything I shared with you today is designed to help you grow your practice and scale your impact today. But we're not stopping there.
Oh,
We are pushing harder and farther than ever before. Best move yet,
QB Live.
MailChimp.
oh
Last
gosh.
week, we completed
How many
our
times
acquisition
can
of
you
MailChimp.
announce MailChimp?
Our next
Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 key reflections, and each
Oh,
one
come
of these
on, Donna.
reflections is going to have a takeaway that you can practice and apply into your daily life.
We're gonna find our purpose
so
in the
that
next
this
20
session is
minutes here.
actionable. And so they pushed the log out
What's happening
slowly
right
and
now?
the river
floating
completely
on a log
took
on a
the
river?
log away with it. Why do you have a paintbrush on your wall? I've never seen that before. First ever job was that I painted fences. Then I painted walls. Then I painted homes. Now he's a successful executive and director, and he said that this paintbrush reminds me of where I started. In literally
I've got a
30
rubber chicken on my wall. What
I
does that
created a
mean?
human-
What are we watching right now? These memes?
Small business solution can help you simplify and automate your tax.
Oh my gosh, it's an Avalara ad. More TikTok style ads, please? Oh, it's a Fathom ad. Oh, she just had Fathom right over here? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh. Whoa! This might be my favorite part yet.
Warehouse.
Oh, jeez. That was a good announcement. That was one of those things where it's like, man, how has that not been a thing for so long? But still good they got it now. Payroll certification, so basically people advisory, but for Qbo Payroll. They launched a Qbo for Windows, which I imagine they're very careful not to call QuickBooks Desktop. That could get a little bit confusing. They beefed up their month-end review tools called Books Review now. That looked pretty cool. And then better support. So pulling all of the pro advisor support back onshore, investing in training and hiring more people into that team. So one of those things that's like, probably should have always been doing that, but still good news if they're investing back in that. So, well, this has been super fun. Thanks everybody for popping by and hanging out. Haley's gonna somehow chop all this madness down to like a 10-minute YouTube video, just kind of recapping the stuff that they went through in these 2 days. But this was fun. I think we'll probably do more of some form of this, like for webinars or, I don't know, conferences like this. But thank you everybody for hanging out. And if you're in the community and you missed any of this, you still want to catch it, I will be parking recordings out there in Realize. So everybody have a lovely day and thanks for hanging.